Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this kind of smooth floating text in Adobe After Effects. It's super easy and quick to make, so let's get started right away. After creating a new composition, let's add some text. I'm using the Montserrat font here. Next, we're adding the main effect that gives it that nice shake. Set the amount to 20 and lower the speed a bit. It's ready, looking pretty nice. Now we can create a couple more text layers and just combine them together. For a better look, I'm adding the deep glow effect and setting the parameters like you see on screen. And here is the result. If you want to get a stronger shake effect on the text, just increase the speed. Bonus tip. But hey, we can also use this effect on images or even video clips. And after just a few clicks, we get this. Thank you for watching this tutorial till the end. If you are interested in more After Effects guides, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and feel free to check out the Telegram channel as well. Thanks again, bye bye.